everyone. For this video, I will be reviewing what participation in kayaking looks like for someone with a C1 through C5 SCI. First, let's review what motor function each complete cervical SCI level will be able to utilize during kayaking. C1 through C3 SCI will have neck flexion, extension, and rotation. C4 will have shoulder elevation and inspiration for breathing, and C5 will have shoulder flexion, abduction and extension, scapular adduction and abduction, and elbow flexion and supination. It is important the correct kayak and equipment are chosen. If the kayaker prefers or has increased difficulty paddling, a tandem kayak may be utilized so the person in the back can assist in providing power and control. If not, a single kayak, cockpit, or sit-on-top style can be used. The process of transferring into the kayak, launching into the water, paddling, and water safety will be taught to participants in preparation for engaging in adapted kayaking. There are a variety of options and equipment available for transferring into and out of the kayak. For people with tetraplegia, a Hoyer-type lift on a dock or a lifting system on a truck can be used to transfer into the kayak. If these lifting systems are not available, assistance from two able-bodied people can also occur and allow for safety and efficiency transferring in and out of the kayak, such as shown in this video. Once the kayaker is seated, they should ensure the lumbar spine is in complete contact with the back of the seat, the ball of the foot is in contact with the foot pedals, a slight bend in the knees are maintained, and the lateral aspects of the knees are in solid contact with both sides of the boat. These points of contact allow the kayaker to maintain control and stability throughout the activity. For optimal safety with transfers, it is recommended to transfer into the kayak on land. This could also include a dock, then be transported into the water. This type of transfer from the same level of a shoreline into the water is known as a zero-entry launch. Depending on the kayaker's comfort level and trunk stability, several seat options can be utilized. A basic seat that provides lateral supports at the shoulder and hips provide the most stabilization. A high back seat with lower back support can also be utilized for increased trunk stability. These seating mechanisms can be adjusted to the user's fit and preferences. A seat pad or cushion should be placed in the kayak seat to prevent any skin integrity issues. Outriggers can be attached to the kayak to increase stability while kayaking if desired. These attach to the base of the kayak, and the distance on each side can be adjusted based on how much stability the kayaker needs. The closer the outriggers, the less stability, and the further the outriggers, the more stability that is provided. There are several paddle options for these levels of SCI to use for efficient paddling. A mount-supported paddle decreases stress on the upper extremities, and a paddle pivot removes the weight of the paddle on the kayaker. A bent shift paddle has divots where the hands are placed to decrease stress on the wrist and allow for easier gripping. A lightweight carbon fiber paddle provides decreased strength and endurance needs with its lightweight feature. This video is an example of a fully outfitted kayak that may be utilized by people with C1-C5 SCI to provide increased safety, stability, and comfort while allowing maximal independence. Adaptations such as gripping accessories can also be included to optimize performance and decrease energy expenditure for the kayaker. These accessories include paddling mitts, wrist cuff, back of hand grip, and paddle grips. Increased stability, skin integrity, and comfort can also be provided by placing foam supports around the kayaker's body. A personal flotation device, helmet, quick-drying clothing, throw rope, dry bag, and whistle are other items that are necessary for safe kayaking. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more information on outdoor recreation for people with SCI. See you next time.